I wake up early. I wake up early.
I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth.
I cook breakfast. I cook breakfast.
I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast.
I drink water. I drink water.
I walk to class. I walk to class.
I run in the park. I run in the park.
I read a book. I read book.
I write a sentence. I write a sentence.
Class, please listen carefully.
I listen carefully.
That's right. Now repeat after me.
I listen carefully.
Excellent. Keep listening.
I speak English. Oh, really? I speak English. Wow, very slow. I draw a flower. I draw a flower.
I open the window. I open the window.
I close my book. I close my book.
I buy some apples. I buy some apples.
I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes.
I clean my room. I clean my room. I help my mother. I help my mother.
I play with a ball. I play with a ball.
I sleep at night. I sleep at night.